Last year, when I knew very little about solar equipment, I put 9 solar panels in series that went into the inverter, not knowing when it gets cold, the voltage does go up. This was the spec for the solar panel. The VOC is 49.2 multiplied by the 9 solar panels should be 442.8 volt. You can see the MPPT operating range is between 120 and 450 volt. That is really close when I put those 9 solar panels together. I was really lucky because this inverter have over voltage protection, which means it stops receiving any power when the voltage go above this range. And it also protects the inverter from getting damaged. It's early in the morning and it's around 30 degrees Fahrenheit and the sun is just coming out, which means the voltage should be higher than usual. And here is the spec for the solar panel I'm currently using on top of the shed. If you are interested in seeing how I build the shed, go on to the solar shed playlist on my channel and you can see how I build it from the ground all the way to how I install the solar equipment. When it's cold in the morning, the voltage go up significantly. For example, this morning you can see it's way above 300 volt. It usually does not go above that once the sun come out completely. Currently, I have two sets of 7 solar panel in series going to each inverter. I could put 8 solar panel in series, but I do not have the space available on top of the solar shed. After the sun warm up the solar panel, the voltage usually drop between 260 and 280 volt. 320 is the highest I saw that morning compared to 274.5 volt. That is 45.5 volt difference. I hope somebody find this video useful. I am continuously amazed by solar technology and I am always learning. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.